quality, then I will surely upload it.
Yeah, God has been great because today we don't have any internet issue. So get clarity will be good. That you have already improved. So did you get any improvement?
Am I audible and visible both, sir?
Yes, you are very much audible and visible.
Very good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, very good afternoon, ma'am. And how are you? How are you doing today?
My day has been so far very great and awesome.
Okay, great. And what are the some of the talks you did since morning?
I have just completed my household chore. You know, these days holidays are going on and my
Ah,
kids are at home. So my kids are too younger and they always keeps me busy.
okay, so you are quite busy with your household chores. I think that you are more of homebody, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Okay.
yesterday
So
when you called me, at that time I wanted to have session with you. But despite my desire, I couldn't connect to you. At that time I was in the kitchen.
yeah, you have already elaborated those things. Yesterday I have called you, but you didn't reply. So that was the reason. I was thinking that procrastinating is not good is usually. So that's the reason I was thinking that I should talk to this person today. Yeah,
I, with my heart, I also wanted to talk to you.
it's pleasure. It's all mine because I'm feeling resonate equal.
I think we are meeting first time, so I would like to know about you.
Yeah, of course, because this video will be going to be recorded, and I'm pretty sure that you will upload on your channel, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I
Okay.
if I find this video is good in quality, then I will surely upload it.
Yeah, God has been great because today we don't have any internet issue, so get clarity will be good. Yeah. Basically, I'm connecting with you from Kolkata, and in terms of my education, so I have just completed my 10th class standard, and after that I quit everything related to my studies. And when it's come to my profession, so for my living, my profession is driving. So I have been with this profession since 10 years. Yeah. And simultaneously I do run a YouTube channel which is based on spoken English conversation video, Jaffer Driver Talk. It's all about me. I think now
I,
it's your time.
that sounds great. And now, thanks for giving me this opportunity. My name is Lata Garg, and I am belong to Delhi. I am a
Uh,
housewife, and I am blessed with two kids.
okay.
I have studied till 12th. After that, I wanted to study further, but I got married and I couldn't study further. I
Yeah.
want to enhance my communication skill. I
Okay.
want to become impeccable speaker. That's why I have been here.
Yes, great. Definitely. Someday you would like to see yourself that you become a intimate speaker all over the world and globally, I think.
And
Okay, so how long have you been practicing?
only I haven't completed even 1 month. I think 25 days ago.
Yeah, great, awesome. So when did you get the courage to start your YouTube channel? Because lot many people out there, even they are homemaker, but they don't have any encouragement from their family members. So they are very much impeccable with this language, but they didn't start for the fear of failure.
You know, I am fond of speaking English since my childhood. And when
Okay.
I get chance to interact with someone in English, it makes me happy. And after
Uh,
having conversation with anyone, I feel awesome and energetic to myself. I did
yeah.
not want to create my channel, but I want to have session with everyone. Last time when I saw one of my friend
Mhm.
appearing on YouTube, one of my friend has created her YouTube channel. When I
Yeah.
saw her on YouTube, seeing her, I also felt like that I should be on YouTube.
You have started only 25 days ago, I think that. So, what are the areas you think that you have already improved by interact with the stranger, and you have already made a couple of session with the stranger. So did you get any improvement from them?
Yeah, I am improving day by day. You know,
Yeah.
whenever someone asks me any question instantly, sometimes I feel thoughts and views don't come in my mind instantly. Sometimes,
Oh.
you know what happens, I want to say something but I end up saying something. But now, nowadays I am getting confidence.
I have already asked you so many questions. So before deep dive into the session, do you have any inquiries or any doubts so far about me?
I also want to ask you many questions because you have just mentioned that you have studied till 10th.
Yeah, it
And how
is.
long have you been after that? How you are also fluent in English? How long have you been here? I want to ask you, how long have you started your spoken
Yeah.
practice?
Oh my God, I'm not fluent at all, but yeah, as you said that I am also improving day by day because I get lot many people who is by I can able to correct myself like you people because YouTube one of the most best platform where we can look into the communities by educating each other. Yeah, I have been practicing since 1 year and I have started my YouTube channel since 1 year. So from that day I have got this decision that I have to do something in my career because I I never joined any courses, never joined any classes, and even I didn't get any opportunity to for my higher education to admit in college and university. Like that's how I have started my journey. Yeah.
In your initial days, when you were beginner, what type of videos and content did you use to watch?
Yes, so many YouTuber, you know that they are giving daily basis in intellectual content. That kind of video I used to watch. So I have learned so many things from their videos, so many vocabularies and phrases and idioms like that. Yeah.
It means you listened broadcast most of the time.
Yes, broadcast and so many other videos as well. Yeah.
And did you also watch grammar related videos?
No, I'm very much weak with my grammar. I think that so yeah. I never watch or never read anything about the grammar because I really believe that grammar is important. But the casual conversation, we no need to think about the grammar because if you will start to listen grammar or read grammar, then you will think that I have to start after learning the grammar. So it will take too much time. So no, so that's the reason it is not essential for me. I'm not into in any grammar. Yeah.
Have started your practice most of the time by listening. You have listened lot of videos.
Yes. Yes. Indeed.
But, but according to me, when I get time, when I feel myself free, I watch English related videos on YouTube. According
Okay.
to me, basic grammar is necessary. Without knowing grammar, we cannot make our English effective.
Yes, yes. But the thing is that if you want to start from the very scratch level and bigger level, so no need to think about your grammar, no, because grammar is not your priority at this time. So you need to think where you can get the good fluency with this language, no. Yeah. Go ahead, go ahead. I think you have a lot of questions.
And tell me, sir, how is your YouTube channel growing?
Yeah, I actually I'm not that much consistent with my YouTube channel. Often I upload the videos, but yeah, still it's going great. I think that because sometime I gain some subscriber and I'm getting some viewers, and I'm also receiving some comment from the subscriber and from the viewers. They have been comment in my comment section is it's totally admirable for me, and when I get any sophisticated comments from them, so yeah, it makes me jovial.
When we get comments from our viewers, we feel very happy.
Yes. So what does your husband do?
My husband is a businessman, sir.
Okay, so how many kids do you have?
No, elder one is my daughter and younger one is my son. My daughter is 11-year-old and my son is about to be 5. He will turn out 5 on
Yeah.
6.
So how could you manage everything? You need to prepare your foods, lunch and dinners, and you need to get ready to your child. So how did you manage everything, no, in a day?
I have to do a lot of efforts in order to manage all the things. In the morning, I get up early at 5 o'clock. After that,
Uh,
I try to finish my all household chore very quickly because nowadays I have engrossed myself completely to learn this language. English always
yeah.
is going in my mind.
Okay, so you are an early riser. I can consider you. So, did you take any single nap or sound sleep in afternoon, 1 o'clock
Before
and 3 o'clock like that?
Before creating my channel, I used to sleep for half an hour. But
Uh,
when since the time I have created my channel, I went go to my room only to make my sunset. And when I
yeah,
feel myself had slept, after that I go out of my room and I started working on my journey.
you have already sacrificed your sleep for learning this language, no? Yeah, of course, because we are no longer a student, right? So if you want to learn something, so we cannot devote our time, or we can get some time when we'll free. That time we can practice. Otherwise, it will be quite impossible for us to practice in daily basis.
So, being a housewife and being a mother, I have to do lot of work. And
Yeah,
when
I know.
I am free, I
Yeah,
give my full time to English. And
yeah.
I
It's
am a
it's
freelancer. It takes me lot of time to edit and to upload my video to make thumbnail. I am just a beginner, na, that's why I keep learning all these things.
No, you are not a beginner at all, because from the looks of it, you have great communication skills and your confidence level is really admirable.
You are saying right, sir. And I am pretty sure one day I will be an impeccable speaker.
Yes, great. Yeah.
At this time in my home, sometimes I keep speaking with my daughter in English. My daughter studies
Ah,
in sixth class and
okay.
she is studying English medium school.
Okay. So I have heard something that English medium school, those are student from the English medium school, they have their great knowledge, and sometimes it happens with you that your daughter asks you so many questions, you don't know the answer. So is it happen with you sometime that they know some vocabularies, you don't know what is the meaning actually?
My daughter don't ask me any vocabulary, but she has good pronunciation than me.
Yeah.
Sometimes she correct me, Mama, you
Uh,
should speak this word like this.
yeah, yeah. Yeah,
And my
pronunciation. Yeah, pronunciation is only happened in your regional dialect place, because you are living in a confining area, right? So,
and my
okay.
daughter is very much aware about these technical things. She keeps helping me to upload my video, to edit my video by using VNF. I am
Okay, so
learning from my daughter.
she is intelligent more than you. I think that.
Nowadays teachers, kids are much aware about these technical things.
Yeah, yeah. So, do you read anything? Any book?
Nowadays, I have started reading some
Uh,
stories book like moral story books um,
uh,
and good as story books. And when
uh,
I read this type of books, I come across many new words. After that, I try to find out the meaning of those words and I try to use those words.
yeah. So, what about your an advanced level vocabularies? Because people are always dreaming for use or implement while they are speaking in advanced level vocabularies. So, what do you think in future? Maybe after 2 months later or 3 months later, so you would be able to use some advanced level vocabularies.
Yeah, I also want to use. But first, I am thinking we should be fluent in basic
Yeah.
spoken. After that, we can replace our basic vocabulary with advanced vocabulary.
Yeah, many people always thinking that they need thousands of vocabularies, because with the minimum possible word you can explain yourself in front of anyone, right? So when they have started, so from that day they want to start with very fancy word. So that is actually wrong, no? Because if you will want to use a fancy word, there might be chances you will make in grammatical error. Yeah. So yeah, it has already been 18 minutes. So eventually, do you have any questions?
Well, right now, no question is coming in my mind, but it was lovely catching up with you. I like,
Yeah,
I
thank you.
enjoy.
Thank you. It has been nice talking to you, ma'am. And I like your pretty conscious, and you have given me the precious time. So I'm very thankful to you. And in future, if you will get any time, so please hit me up. We need more conversation. Yeah.
Yeah. Next time,
Thank you.
we will meet again with new topic.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Yeah.